This video shows how to grab grades out of an Aspen gradebook using GradeTransferer, so we can transfer it into another platform such as first. What you want to do is, after downloading the GradeTransferer Chrome extension, you need to go into the scores area, which is basically your gradebook, and click anywhere inside the column where the grades are that you would like to transfer. So in this case, I want to transfer any and all grades out of the important stuff with their corresponding student names. So I click in there. This tells GradeTransferer that this is the column that we're interested in, and that's where the grades should be coming from. Then it's as simple as clicking the GradeTransferer icon and clicking Grab Data. Voila, we're done. It'll give you a readout of all the grades along with the names of the students that they belong to, and a shorthand that in this case we transferred 27 grades out of there. If you ever want to go back and view it, click the view button and you get a nice little list saying who's who and what their grade is.